This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about napkin dispensers, specifically these Interfold Napkin Dispensers. And we have the black plastic unit that's a tabletop condiment caddy and Interfold napkin dispenser. And we also have the gray tabletop Interfold napkin dispenser that's just the dispenser itself without the addition of the little caddy for it to slip into. So these are both built of durable plastic to really withstand frequent use. They're perfect for putting out at tables in busy fast casual restaurants or at self-service stations for your to-go orders. Your customers can really easily grab what they need. They feature a really nice wide opening here for those napkins to pop up from and make it easier for your customers to grab them. The plastic on the sides of these units is actually a translucent gray, meaning that once it's loaded, you'll easily be able to spot check and see if you need to refill those napkins, even from a distance. And you can see there's a really nice little spring-loaded platform in there, so it's easy just to pop those napkins down in, close the lid, and pull up your first one. The condiment caddy option is fantastic if you need to put out things at your tables, especially like salt and pepper, ketchup and mustard, barbecue sauce, A1, whatever the case may be. It's going to give you a convenient and neat spot to organize those and put them away so it's easy for your customers to grab and they don't even have to ask your servers. The plastic these are made from is really easy to wipe down or wash when needed, and they're perfect for a variety of fast casual, takeout style restaurants or any establishment that needs napkins at tables or on counters where they're easy for your customers to grab.